Hi everyone, I'm very excited today. Why? I have these two Netherton foundry iron loaf tins. You can see the dough weighs 1646. So if I am to divide it into two, it will be 823 grams. Okay, so that's my first bridge. So that's about 45 minutes later. I'm preheating the oven to 230 degrees Celsius. So we'll give them about 15 more minutes to rise. The bread is now ready and will go in the preheated oven, 230 degrees Celsius. Now 40 minutes later, it's time to get them out of the oven. It looks quite promising. Messing here. So right here, it should be at the bottom this. Otherwise, no problem here. So let's try it now. No, it's okay. After some initial struggle, and you can see I have damaged this one a little bit here with this. But they managed to come out, okay, and they look all right. So now I will leave them to cool down, and then going to have a test to see what's on the inside.